Hello, my name is Cynthia, and I'm a career specialist here at the East Baton Rouge Parish Library's Career Center. And today we're going to walk through how to apply for a position with Turner Industries. And the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my picture from the screen, and we're going to walk through this process. As we're going to click on the plus sign at the very top here to open up a new tab. And we're going to click on that, and we're going to type in Turner Industry, TURNERINDUSTRIES, Turner Industries. We're going to click on Turner Industries, and you'll see on their homepage, it right away tells you careers. The second tab is careers. So we click on that, and we're going to scroll down here on the right-hand side. And it says open position training employee profiles. So we're interested in the open positions. Okay, and we're going to move down. Okay, below is a listing of open position with Turner Industries. Please note that not all job listings are posted online. To find all job openings in your area, please visit the nearest personnel office listed at the bottom of this page. Now that's a really good information. A lot of companies don't encourage you to come to their location to find jobs. We're going to look at the bottom of the page to see what the locations are. We see right here in Baton Rouge is 215 Hollandia Drive, Baton Rouge, and it also gives a phone number. And it gives you an invitation, come be a part of our team. Okay, so we're going to scroll back up here because we're going to look for positions that are in Baton Rouge. Okay, great. I see one that says hydroblasting crew leader. We're going to click on that. We're going to move down. Okay. And it says Turner Specialty Services is looking for hydroblasting crew leader to join our specialty services team in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. A minimum of 3 years experience is required. Then it tells you crew leader operations or operators for hydroblasting services are responsible, and it tells you what they're responsible for. You want to make sure that you have experience and knowledge in this particular field. So let's go up here. So we feel like we are qualified for this particular job. It does give us the option to email me similar jobs or email me this job. Okay, and it tells you a little bit more about the job. It is has been open from January 5th, 2022. It's going to close on March 6th, 2022, Central Standard Time. And it's an hourly position, it's full time. And it says that the pay is depending on experience. Okay, so let's move down here. It says apply now. Fields are required. What is your full name? Okay, we're going to say email. Please indicate if you agree to applicant pros, applicant communication policy. So we need to click on that. Okay, you will of course read all the information that your potential company presents to you because they will expect you to know that information. So we're going to say yes. Okay, I agree to applicants. So yes, I agree to be contacted by text message. So I agree to applicant pros, applicant information use policy. Apply for this position. Okay, maybe that's what it is. 225. It wouldn't allow me to use the keypad for some reason, but it's allowing me to put in the numbers when I use them over the special characters. Okay, so we're going to click on apply for this position. Okay. Okay, would you like us to pre-populate your application? And I'm going to say no. We're going to complete the application ourselves. Okay, and so what does it say? It says, please take a minute to confirm that the contact information that we have for you is correct. If we are missing information, please enter it below. So what is your full name? Full name, Raven Woodstein. And then we have our telephone number, and it's a cell phone. And preferred method of communication is email. What is your current mailing address? Okay, now current mailing address is, okay, 312. Okay. State Lane. Okay. As United States, Louisiana. And it's not Baker, but it's Baton Rouge. So we're going to remove this right here. And we're going to say it's 70801. Please indicate if you agree to Applicant Pro's applicant communication policy. We've already agreed to that. We've already agreed to be contacted by text messages. This is a little odd. It says, please indicate if you agree to Applicant Pro's applicant communication policy. But right under that, it talks about being contacted by text messages, which seems it's a little bit out of order. And here's the box we need to check about the Applicant Pro's applicant communication policy. Okay, an account has been created for you using your email address as a username. Please create a password below to allow you to log back into your account. Okay, so we want to make sure that you have pen and paper ready to write down your password. So you have to create a password, and it doesn't give you any parameters on how to set up that password. So the standard is you use uppercase, lowercase, a number, and special character, and it has to be normally 6 to 8 characters long. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to type in okay, and we're going to write that down. Okay, and we're going to retype it. Okay, and we're going to click on save. And it says password updated successfully right there. Okay, let's scroll down. Now it gives you instructions. Again, you want to make sure you read this information thoroughly so that you will know how to answer and what to answer with this particular application. It says submit your information for a personal profile one time only. Duplicate profiles will be deleted from the system. Complete all fields in the profile as completely as possible and include a resume for our recruiting team to review. Okay, wonderful. So we meet all of those requirements. Now it says that you must be authorized to work in the United States. Just a note here, if you were born in the United States, you automatically are authorized to work in the United States. You don't need any additional certifications or approvals. You can work anywhere in the United States by right of citizenship. Okay, have you ever or do you currently work for Turner Industries? Okay, this little sign right here, it gives you a drop-down menu. We're going to say no. Questionnaire regarding our experience. We, of course, we're not able to show you those questions or our answers for fairness to other applicants. And so we have moved from that particular section of the application to the resume section. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to upload our resume since the resume is required. It says, please provide us with your resume here. You may upload or copy and paste in the BOZ provided below. I think that it's supposed to read BOX. Okay, so we're going to choose a file, and this is our hydroblasting. Go say upload files. Okay, so then it's been uploaded. We're going to scroll down, and it has some other information here from a previous application that we need to get rid of. Okay. Okay, so we need to get rid of this, and we just hit delete. Okay, we will certainly move forward. How did you hear about this position? Company website. Select the source. We just said Turner Industries, okay. And we're going to say proceed to next step. And it says applicant statement. Okay. And of course, you want to read all of this information. It does tell us some real good information that we would need to know, retain with this information. This application will remain active for 30 days. So if you have not heard from anything from them in 30 days, you know, you have the opportunity that you can apply for a different position. You want to click I agree to the above. It says click and drag your mouse or use your finger on a mobile device in the white space below to draw your signature. Okay, let's see how successfully we can do that. Okay. We're gonna just put a period right there. And then we're gonna do, okay, you have completed the required sections of this application. To submit your application, click the Submit Application button below. Once you click Submit Application, you will not be able to edit your application. Now, it does give you the opportunity to go back if you want to, and you can check it out, make sure that you've answered everything correctly. Or if you don't want to do that, you can submit your application. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to submit our application. Great. Application submitted. That says profile complete. Thank you for submitting an employment profile with Turner Industry. Your profile has been forwarded to our personnel department, and a recruiter will contact you if further information is needed. We're back on our homepage, and this is the end of our video, and we hope that you have enjoyed. If it has been informative, please like and subscribe. I want to thank you for viewing our video.